Hello and welcome back to the Fenix YouTube channel. This week we're going to look at HM71R's big brother. It's this, the HM71R. So the HM71R is essentially one of these, a HM61R, and then one of these, a 21700 battery, put inside. What that means is essentially that you get a longer battery life, but also a little bit more weight added to the torch. The other big changes from the 61R is the charging is no longer magnetic, but now has a standardised USB-C charging port. And we also see a change in the lighting sources, which we'll look into later. So let's get a closer look at this light. Next, I'll break each part down, starting with the headband. It is the standard Fenix headband with breathable mesh, reflective detailing, and a silicone strip around the front. This strip helps channel sweat away when worn on your head, but it also acts as a grip-on when used on a helmet. Like the HM61R V2, we have the same sliding mount system, allowing you to remove the light, making it a right-angled torch. The head mount will also work with the Fenix ALG03 helmet mount. This allows you to remove the bands and clip it directly to the helmet. This clip also allows the up and down pivoting of the light. So with the light removed from the head mount, let's look at the whole lighting unit. Starting from the bottom, we have the magnetic tail cap. This allows for remote mounting in case you want to fix lighting. Unscrewing the cap, inside we have the included 5000 mAh 21700 battery. Next we have the body clip. As well as used on the mounting system for the headband, it is also a body clip. It allows you to attach it to your jacket or a bag or whatever else you want to attach it to. Next we'll move on to the head section. As said, we've got that USB-C port on the back under this rubber cover. Make sure you seal this up after charging to ensure the waterproofing. On the front we have our two LEDs. Our main spotlight is a whiter SFT70 LED, and the second light, a floodlight, is a warmer neutral SST20 LED. And then on the side we have the thinning elements to help deal with the heat generated from high outputs. Finally we move to the top where we have the button. This is nice and large, so it makes it perfect for gloved use, as you would find in an industrial environment. Under the cover we also find the 4-stage charge indicator with green, green flashing, red and red flashing to show the battery's current status. It also shows red when charging and green once charged. So that's a quick rundown of this torch. We'll move on to operation next. So if we hold down the button for about 1 second, the spotlight will come on, and a tap will cycle through the modes. These are low, medium, high, turbo. Low is 50 lumens, medium is 200, high is 800, and turbo is 2700. Low will last for 48 hours and reach out to 27 meters. Medium 16 hours and out to 52 meters. High 5 hours and out to 104 meters. And the turbo will be 3 hours and out to 230 meters, but expect some thermal step down on those higher levels. Next we'll move on to the floodlight. When the spotlight is on, to get to the floodlight mode, just simply hold down the button until it switches across. If the light is off, all you've got to do is double tap and it'll go into the floodlight mode. Warm lighting like this is perfect for dust-filled environments, where cool white light will be rather glaring. On the floodlight the levels are a reading light of 5 lumens, low 50 lumens, medium 200 lumens, and high 500 lumens. The reading mode will last for 400 hours and out to 5 meters. Low is 48 hours and out to 14 meters. Medium is 16 hours and out to 30 meters. And high is 8 hours and out to 47 meters, but expect thermal step down on that high mode. So unlike the HM61R, on the HM71R we don't have a red light mode. So if you need that red light, consider dropping the battery size and going down to the HM61R, but if you need that battery size, look at the HM70R, which does have red light modes, but it's not a right angled torch. Our final button mode is the lockout mode. Simply hold down for 3 seconds or until the light flashes. When the button is tapped, it will flash on the lower setting. Just hold again to unlock. The other option for lockout is simply to unscrew the battery cap to break the connection. So dimensions wise, this is taken from when it's mounted in the mount, but doesn't take into account the straps. The width is 106mm, height is 45mm, and depth is 46mm. Weight, including the battery and the headbands, is 207.6 grams. Construction is a lightweight A6061 T6 aircraft grade aluminium and is IP68 waterproof rated. In the box we get the torch, the 5000 mAh battery, USB-C charge cable, spare O-ring, and the warranty card and user manual. So back down the workshop and I'm going to show you the beam patterns. Here we have the spotlight, and here we have the floodlight. Two very distinct lights here, perfect for the industrial environment. So that is a quick roundup of the HM71R, the latest industrial head torch from Fenix. With that large battery and a choice of beams, it's perfect for different working environments. Features like that warm floodlight are perfect examples of where Fenix have looked at a market and made a light to fit. So I would love to know your thoughts on this light. Are there any features that you think should be added to it? Let me know in the comments, and any good ones I'll pass on to the Fenix team. That wraps up this video on the HM71R, so thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content. And we'll see you again next time. Bye!